Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by verifying iPad OS and picking your source. This matters because only live photos animate on the lock screen. Open Settings to confirm the OS, then open Photos and pick a live photo or use a GIF-to-Live converter app. Once done, allow the app access to photos so conversions save back to your library. Make sure the live photo plays in Photos before continuing. If it doesn't, convert again or pick another clip. Now you convert and trim so the animation behaves well. Use a converter app or a shortcuts automation to make a live photo from GIF or MP4. You do this because iPad only recognizes live photos for animated wallpapers. Trim the clip to 3 to 6 seconds so it loops cleanly and uses less power. Once converted, export that live photo to Photos in maximum quality. You'll need it accessible in Photos to set it. Finish by applying the live photo to the lock screen. Long press the lock screen, tap Customize, choose Wallpapers, then select Photos and your live photo. Tap Done to apply. If the live photo doesn't animate, make sure Reduce Motion is off under Accessibility Motion, because that setting prevents animation. If problems persist, recreate the live photo with a different converter or force restart the iPad to clear glitches. Then repeat the set process. This usually resolves stubborn static wallpapers.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.